Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to explain and walk through my code entitled Daily Dose of Donut. This web page was created using HTML and CSS. HTML is used to build the structure of the main web page, while the CSS is used to design and style it. First, I'm going to discuss the HTML. My HTML document begins with the doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser that we are using HTML5. Next, the HTML tag serves as the root element of the web page, and the lang equals to n attribute specifies that the web page is written in English. Inside the head section, I included the meta tags that define the character encoding and make the web page responsive on different screen sizes. I also set the title of my web page to Daily Dose of Donut, which appears on the browser tab. And lastly, I linked our external CSS file so that the web page will use the styles I created. Next is the body section, which contains everything that is displayed on the web page. At the top is the header, where I place the website logo Daily Dose of Donuts together with the navigation menu. The navigation menu contains three links: home, menu, and contact. These links help users move through different sections of the web page. Below the header is the main section, specifically the hero section. This is the first content visitors see when they open the web page. On the left side, we place a large heading that says Fresh and Delicious Donuts. Followed by a short description that tells users our donuts are made with love and fresh ingredients. We also added an Order Now button to encourage customers to place an order. On the right side of the hero section, we displayed a donut image using the img tag. The image helps attract the attention of the visitors and makes the web page more appealing. And finally, at the bottom of the web page, we have the footer, which displays the copyright information for our web page. Now, let's move on to the style CSS. The style CSS is responsible for making our web page visually attractive. First, I styled the body by choosing the Arial font, setting a light cream background color, and using a dark gray text color for readability. For the header, we applied a pastel pink background and used Flexbox to arrange the logo and navigation menu in a single row. Flexbox helps align the items neatly and creates a space between them. I also styled the navigation menu by removing the bullet points, displaying the links horizontally, adding spacing between them, making the text bold, and adding a hover effect that changes the link color when the mouse pointer is placed over it. For the hero section, I used again the Flexbox to divide the content into two columns. One column contains the text, while the other contains the donut image. I increased the heading size to make it stand out and styled the paragraph for better readability. The Order Now button was customized with a blue background, white text, rounded corners, and a hover effect that changes its color when the user moves the mouse over it. I also adjusted the donut image by setting its width and allowing its height to adjust automatically so that it maintains its proper proportions. And lastly, I designed the footer with a matching light pink background, centered the text, and added spacing to make it look clean and organized. In conclusion, HTML provides the structure and content of my web page, while the style CSS controls its appearance and layout. By combining these two technologies, I created a simple, responsive, and visually appealing web page for my fictional donut shop, Daily Dose of Donuts. That's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy my presentation.